Oh, yeah, make it right. My temperature is super high.